Steve from Sparky's Garage. Today we're going to continue on the Sniper EFI kit here I'm installing on my 54 pickup truck. We went ahead and got a Sniper fuel kit. This consists of a bunch of different parts. We got our 80 gallon per hour inline fuel pump here. You can mount it on the frame rail or somewhere that's a safe location. You get a protection sleeve here, you got your clamps for that, you get your pre and post filters. You get a bunch of different fittings in the kit. A couple Earls and a couple NOS Sniper fittings. And this is basically for a bulkhead, and this is for your return line that goes on your fuel tank. I'm going to try to mount this on my fuel neck on this truck. We'll see how that goes. Also, we got 20 feet of vapor guard hose. And this vapor guard hose and the rest of the parts, it is compatible with E85 if you want to run that. We got some clamps here, and obviously the most important thing here, we got our instructions. Make sure you want to read through this. I got my drill here, so I'm going to go underneath the truck and figure out my location for the fuel pump here and get this thing mounted at least on the frame rail. That's where I'm going to try to at least put it. And then we'll lay out the pre and post filters at that point. So I'm going to go underneath the truck and we'll see you down there. All right, I'm underneath the truck here. I'm on the passenger side. Here's my cross member, tail shaft of transmission, passenger frame rail. There is nothing inside this frame rail. Unfortunately, on the driver's side, I have a master cylinder, and then I got a portion valve, some brake lines that's gonna be in the way. So again, I'm gonna go over here to the passenger side, and I'm gonna actually reuse that hole right there. And I'm gonna line up that, make sure it's level, and then I'm gonna take a paint pen, mark the other hole, and then we're gonna drill it out and get this securely mounted. All right, so we got our fuel pump mounted. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down the hardware. I got a bolt with a flat washer. On the back side, I got another flat washer, and I'm using lock nuts. So, all right, got my fuel pump safely secured down to the frame rail. Got my level here. I'm just gonna final check it and make sure it's all good. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see that we're nice and level. I got my pre-filter on, which is this guy right here. It's the smaller one. This one's 100 microns. And then I got our post filter here. This is the bigger one. This is 10 microns. Now, one big thing you want to do is make sure you have all your arrows going towards the motor. Fuel pump is going towards the motor. And then there's another one's right there. It's really hard to see, but it's going towards the motor. All right, that concludes the install here of our fuel pump on the frame rail. The only thing left we got to do is just run our vapor guard hose. I hope you enjoyed.